Good morning, everyone. We're here today to answer one of the single most important questions of all. How do we do a standing burnout in our Infiniti Q50? I'm here to tell you. One issue has been addressed on a number of occasions. Unfortunately, we have an open differential in these cars. Why did Infiniti not put in a limited slip differential? We will never know. So the question is, when we do these standing burnouts, what will happen? Will both tires spin, or will we have a one-turner burner, a one-wheel peel, a one-tire fire, a peg legger, a lone gunman, a one-ringer dinger, or a one-pump wonder? Let's find out. So the first thing you need to do is start your car. I'm not sure if this will have any impact at all, but it's something you can do just in case. Take a look at your dusty-ass screen. Take a rag, which you keep up top, along with your garage door opener, and wipe that crap off. Then, go to Infiniti Drive Mode Selector. Make sure your active trace control is turned off, which is just no brake assist in corners. Just in case you get a little sideways, we're already off. Next, make sure you're in either sport or personal mode. If you're in personal mode, make sure your personal mode is set to sport. So my personal mode is set to sport with active trace control off. Go to the left of your steering wheel and press your traction control button to turn it off. You will see that appear in your dash, the little car with the tire marks. Next, follow your brake pedal up and press it down and expose the little white button right there. What you want to do is press and hold that for about 6 or 7 seconds. Press and hold. And there it is. It will give you a little more freedom and it'll take a little more control away from the car's computer and traction control system. Then all you do is hold the brake down and lightly roll onto the gas pedal, and you will feel the tires start to break loose. Now let's take a look and see what happens.
That was weak. Do it again, you pansy. What did you think about that?
I think you're a dork. So there you go. Both tires actually spun. The car sounds dang nice. So it wasn't a peg legger, a one-wheel peel, or a single tire burn, fire, whatever. It was a little damp. It was a little wet outside. It rained last night. But in this situation, both tires spun, even with the open differential. So there you go. Good luck to you. Follow along, like and subscribe. See you next time.